So today we're in Corfe, which is only about 30 minutes from our base. Not to film the castle, we're going to jump on the train and go to Swanage and hopefully get some footage around there. We'll see what happens. So I'm at Corfe Castle Station waiting for the train. I'm just hoping that Swanage Pier is how I remember it. I spent many a happy hour rummaging under that pier in my diving days. Most people see a Victorian pleasure pier, but that's only half the story. Before tourists, this was an industrial workhorse. The original 1859 pier wasn't for strolling, it was a commercial artery built to ship Purbeck stone from local quarries to the world. That pier is gone, but its ghost remains in the old timber piles, and we're piecing its story together. From the current pier you can spot the skeletal remains of the old one, a line of timber piles in the water. This is what's left of the pier's first life as a purely functional industrial structure. It was a place of work long before it was a place for pleasure. Hidden in plain sight, on the seafront, you'll see rusted metal lines in the walkways, the remains of a tramway. In the 19th century, horse-drawn carts hauled massive blocks of stone along these tracks to the original pier for shipping. It's the first clue to the industry that dominated this bay. The current pleasure pier was built in 1897. Beneath it is a skeleton of elegant ornamental cast iron. This beautiful Victorian engineering marks the exact moment Swanage transitioned from a gritty industrial port to a fashionable seaside resort. The current pier is held up by a forest of timber piles that have survived for over a century. This is green heart timber, an incredibly dense and rock resistant wood from South America. Choosing this expensive exotic wood was a statement. This new pier was a permanent monument for an era of tourism. The final marvel is invisible, but it made the original 1860 pier possible. Cast iron screw piles. This was cutting-edge Victorian technology. Huge corkscrew-like piles were screwed deep into the seabed, a brilliant solution for building in the sea. These invisible foundations were the start of the industrial machine that changed Swanage.